Hi guys, so we are carrying out a full renovation on this lawn here today. As you can see, it's in quite good condition. We've been coming here for about 3 or 4 years now, and we've not done much maintenance to it in the last couple of years, so it's built up a layer of thatch now, and it's just been struggling a little bit over the summer period of last year. So we're coming in, we're doing a full renovation, so we're going to be scarifying, aerating, overseeding and top dressing. Enjoy! Right, so we've gone over once with the scarifier. I'm just going to make an assessment as to whether we'll go over it again. But you can see, I mean, that's a light scarify, how much stuff, thatch is coming out of the lawn. This is what I'm saying, when you look after your lawn fairly well and you scarify, it doesn't need to look quite so bad when it's done regular. Now you can see where it's done, it's looking a little bit stressed and unhappy, but in general, as I'm walking on it now, I can feel the ground underneath and I can just about see the soil grooves. So I'm quite happy with that. There's a couple of dog patches there. So we may just go over once more lightly. I'll have a good look over the whole lawn. So we've gone over 2 times now in different directions at a 45-degree angle to the first direction, and you can see just how much has actually come out again on the second time. So how do you know when it's your own lawn how much to take out? Well, you can gauge it with your feet. So when you're walking over normally, just walk and be aware of how spongy it feels under your feet, and then run your scarifier over and then feel how it feels once you've done that, and it'll feel a little bit firmer as you're getting closer and closer to the soil. So as you can see here in the shade, it's taken out a bit more than where it's in the sun because the grass is a little bit weaker in the shade. And Dolly the duck, hello, I think she's come to use the toilet, or she's possibly come for a drink, I'm not quite sure. Hello? Hello? Ah, brilliant. So, yeah, you can feel it with your feet. So we'll get this cleared up, we'll give it a mow, and then we'll start with the aeration. We've done the whole of tine aeration now, double scarify first, feels nice and firm underfoot. And then we've gone over with the mower to clear up the thatch from the scarifying. It makes it easier when you're blowing. Look at all the dust that comes up. If you don't get that thatch up with the mower, you end up with dust going absolutely everywhere, all into neighbouring gardens. It's bad enough at this point, and it's a windy day as well. So, current state of things, you can see the hollow tine aeration holes in the ground. And right now this lawn's thinking, what on earth have you done to me? But just you wait, the next step we're going to put fertiliser on, and then we're going to drop some seeds on the ground, and then we'll get the top dressing on and get it all looted and roll it in. And then it'll be all good in a few weeks.
In the smoky light and in the rain, working through the night and through the haze, you lay it down each day with heavy eyes, just to wake again, just as tired. So may every morning find the mercy new, and lighting up to shine upon the path.
So, all in all, it's still looking pretty good. So we've scarified it twice, very carefully obviously, and all the tine aerated. Now we've done this bottom section with some fertiliser, overseeding and top dressing. Just switched to a different top dressing because the last lot's quite wet. But this one from Home Bargains, all of last year was like £1.90 a bag, and it's just gone up I think to £2.49 a bag. But that stuff is pretty good. Also the B&Q Verve multi-purpose in the purple bags is pretty good as well. You're going to get the occasional twigs. But anyway, so as you can see, we've fertilised seed and the top dress, and we've used the lute to rub it down in and amongst the blades of grass down to soil level. And then I've gone over with the roller just to press it all in so we have good seed to soil contact. So Chris is just going over the garden now with the mower, and all that's doing is picking up the last few bits of thatch which have blown about and may have gone down some of the holes. So we're just tidying that up. I'm going to crack on and get the rest of this one done.
So may every blossom break into the day, up from underneath the gravel and the clay. Lift your eyes and see above the leaves, above the war-torn dreams. I am here, so put your hand in mine. You're not alone. I'll be by your side through it all. So may every morning find the mercy new, and light enough to shine upon the fallow fields. So may every blossom break into the day, up from underneath the gravel and the clay.
So there you have it, guys. All done, all dusted, scarified, twice, hollow tine aerated, overseeded, fertilised and top dressing put in, using the lute to work it down in between the blades of grass so it reaches the soil level, and then getting the roller, rolling it over just so it touches the soil, the seeds touch the soil. And finally we've just put a wetting agent on just to help with germination. So there you go, watch this space. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.